How to achieve a clear Korean glass skin. Are you ready to achieve that coveted Korean glass skin look? Today, I'm going to share some incredible tips to help you achieve clear and radiant skin, just like your favorite K-drama stars. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools and techniques you need to achieve that flawless, translucent complexion. Let's get started. Number 1. Cleanse and exfoliate. First things first, it's crucial to cleanse and exfoliate your skin regularly. Use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup, and exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week to slough off dead skin cells and reveal a fresh, radiant complexion. Number 2. Hydrate and moisturize. Hydration is key to achieving glass skin. Use a hydrating toner to prep your skin, followed by a lightweight, moisturizing serum to lock in moisture. Finish with a nourishing moisturizer to keep your skin plump and hydrated throughout the day. Number 3. Use brightening ingredients. Incorporate brightening ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid into your skincare routine to target hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. These ingredients will help you achieve a more even, radiant complexion. Number 4. Protect with SPF. Sun protection is essential for maintaining clear and youthful-looking skin. Always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every morning, even on cloudy days, to protect your skin from harmful UV rays and prevent premature aging. Number 5. Practice facial massage. Facial massage is a great way to improve blood circulation, promote lymphatic drainage, and enhance skin elasticity. Incorporate facial massage techniques into your skincare routine to achieve a natural glow and promote overall skin health. Number 6. Healthy lifestyle habits. Lastly, maintain healthy lifestyle habits for radiant skin from the inside out. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, get enough sleep each night, and manage stress levels to keep your skin looking clear and glowing. That's it for today's video on how to achieve a clear Korean glass skin. I hope you found these tips helpful. Subscribe to our channel and make sure to leave a like, comment, and share as we provide you with more self-care tips. Stay tuned for more here in Glow Up Diaries, where we boost confidence, one glow up at a time.